your girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And today, I want to do a challenge I kind of made up here, but the Affy Tapple. Hey, do that Affy Tapple. That Affy Tapple. Hey, do that Affy Tapple. All right, so with this challenge, you have 10 minutes to eat all three. Must be refrigerated, so, it can really harden up a little bit, So, that's the only rules to this game. You are allowed to drink some water. Shout out to the coldest water bottle. You can get yours down in the description below. All right, so let me get my timer out here. You guys, every time I see this phone with the timer, I'll be like... Okay, so I have 10 minutes on here. I guess I could have kind of cracked this open, especially with these nails. Okay, it don't seem like it's that hard to rip open. All right, you guys. Here is the timer. 10 minutes. Y'all know the drill. When it goes off, it'll beep. All right, so here we go. Okay. These are so good. And they always come out around Halloween or the holidays. I love these. This is going to be a jawbreaker. So good. Woo! Mmm. This is a jawbreaker. Mmm. Oh, you guys, talk about jawbreaker now. I feel it. It's in my temples. Oh. Oh. Mmm. Oh, my face. It's going numb. Whoa. Oh. All right. Oh no, that's Mike calling me. Let me see my timer. I still got a minute. I so love y'all can see. Oh boy. This will get your jaw. Oh my jaw. At least I got time enough to get myself a massage, y'all. All right. Time. I have 1 minute left. Just got all this caramel in between my teeth. But, whew. Oh, my jaw. Okay, so as we know, with this challenge, you have time to massage your jaws. That was a good, tasty challenge. So, you guys, I hope everybody had a good day today. Excuse me. A nice blessed day today. I thank you all for watching. I got caramel everything now. Apple skin in between my teeth. But you guys, see you next time. And I may come up with another challenge. I'm trying to work on something, so hey. And everybody else, I love how we all putting challenges together. That's what the YouTube family is about. We just bring in each other. Oh, excuse me. All together. Well, until next time, peace and love.